This is a video on how to draw feathers digitally. I'm using Procreate, but these techniques can be applied anywhere. This guide does not require any special brushes. I'm using an iPad and an Apple Pencil for this. The first step is to find your brushes. All the brushes used in this guide are going to be under the inking section. I'm going to be using Tinderbox, Syrup, and Thylacine. The next step is to pick your colors. I already set up a palette here. I have the base color, a darker color, a lighter color, and an orange and a blue. The first step is to draw the base color. The second step is to switch to your small thin brush and pick the dark color. And then make some lines in the direction you want the feathers to go. On the side that you want to be highlighted, you take the lighter color and make shorter lines on that side. Make shorter lines on that side. Then for the darker, for the shadow, you put some lines there. After you're satisfied with your color distribution, you should take the thylacine and as your smudge and smudge the lines. Make sure the brush is big enough. Don't press down all the way, or else the lines will all blend into each other and there won't be very much texture. If I hold it down, it's very homogeneous. There's not very much texture there. I'm putting just a little bit of pressure to make it so that it's blending, so there's no hard edges, but it's not homogeneous. There was some texture there. And this is already looking pretty good. And you can repeat these steps of drawing some lines and then blending them as many times as you want to make it look good. And that is how you draw feathers digitally.